How to sign in your booking.com account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to sign in your booking.com application. So first thing, make sure you have downloaded and installed the booking.com application from your official Play Store, and once you're inside here you will be seeing your sign in option. You can simply click on this sign in button over here, and what you can do is you will be given three different options. You can either continue with your email or Facebook or your Google account. So I prefer Google account, as most of the people have already created Google account, so I prefer Google account over any of these. If you prefer email, you can also click on continue with email. So let me just click on continue with Google account and just select any of your Google account if you have multiple ones. So once you select it, you will be automatically redirected and to this page where you will be automatically logged into your account. So that's exactly how you can easily sign in to your booking.com application online. So you can also customize your personal details from over here as well as device preference. So you can check it out, every single customization option from over here. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.